helps the voiceless creature. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Vet Tutorial. Today we are going to study the common animal husbandry terminologies. As veterinarian or veterinary student, all should know proper terminology for each species of farm animals because in case of animals, they are of different types such as cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, pig, etc. Also, they are of different ages such as adult one, young one, newly born, and they are of different sexes. The species to be covered in this video are bovine, which includes cattle and buffaloes, ovine, which includes sheep, caprine, which includes goat, porcine, which includes pig, equine, which includes horses and asses, poultry, which includes chickens and turkeys, then waterfowl, which includes duck and geese, then legomorphs, which includes rabbit. But before starting this, subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon, and if you like this video, give a very big thumbs up. Let's begin. Then let's start with bovine. In this, we are going to first study about cattle. The scientific name of cattle is Bos taurus, which are found in temperate region and regarded as European breeds. And another scientific name is Bos indicus, which are found in tropical region and are regarded as a humped breed. Then the group of cattle is known as herd, newborn is known as calf and it is below 6 months of age, young male is known as bull calf and young female is known as heifer and it is above 6 months of age up to first calving. Adult male is known as bull, which is used for breeding purpose or covering the cows. And then adult female is known as cow and which is from date of first calving. Castrated male is called bullock, which is used for farming or cultivation work. Sterilized female is called as spayed and it is used for all types of species, that is cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, pig and horses. When female is with its offspring, it is called as calf at foot. Then act of parturition is called as calving. Parturition means act of giving birth to young ones. Act of mating is called as serving. Gestation period is 9 months 9 days. Gestation period means the time frame between conception date and the birth date. Then let's study some other terms related to cattle. First is veal. It is the meat of calves of either sexes. Then second is springer, a heifer or a cow that is soon to be calved. Then third is fresh, which means just after giving birth or in milk. Then fourth is open. It means non-pregnant animal. Then let's study about buffalo. Scientific name of buffalo is Buballus buballis. Group of buffalo is called as herd, newborn is called as buffalo calf, young male is known as buffalo bull calf, young female is known as buffalo heifer calf, adult male is known as buffalo bull, and adult female is known as sheep buffalo or buffalo cow. Castrated male is known as buffalo bullock, female with its offspring is known as calf at foot. Act of parturition is known as calving and act of mating is known as serving. Gestation period is 10 months 10 days. And remember that meat of cattle and buffalo is known as beef. Then let's study about second species, that is ovine, which includes sheep. Scientific name of sheep is known as Ovis aries. Group is called as flock. Newborn is known as lamb. Young male is known as ram lamb or tup lamb. Then young female is known as eve lamb or gimmer lamb. Adult male is known as ram or tup. Adult female is known as eve. Castrated male is known as wether or wedder. Female with its offspring is called as suckling. Act of parturition is lambing. And act of mating is known as tupling. Then gestation period is 5 months 5 days. Then other terms related to sheep are bummer lamb, those that have either been rejected or couldn't be fed by their Eve mothers. Then Hogget, which means a domesticated sheep between 1 or 2 years of age. Then open faced, which means sheep with short hair on face. Then closed face or wool blind, which means sheep with wool on the face that must be clipped out. Then mutton, the meat of adult sheep and usually over 14 months of age. Here we ends ovine. Then let's study about third type of species known as caprine, which includes goat. Scientific name of goat is Capra hircus. Group is called as flock or band. Newborn is known as kid. Young male is known as buckling or male kid. Young female is known as goatling. Then adult male is known as buck. Adult female is known as doe. Then castrated male is known as castrated, and the female with its offspring is known as suckling. Act of parturition is known as kidding, and the act of mating is known as serving. And gestation period is 5 months 5 days. Other terms related to goat are: first is king, which means the head of the buck in a flock. Then queen, which means the head of the doe in a flock. Then chivon, cabrito, caprito, they all are referred to goat meat. Here we ends goat. Then let's study about porcine, which means pig. The group of pig is known as drove, herd or stock. Then newborn of pig is known as piglet or pigling. Young male is known as boarling. Young female is known as gilt. Adult male is known as boar. Adult female is known as sow. Castrated male is known as hog, stag or barrow. Then female with its offspring is known as suckling. Act of parturition is known as farrowing. Act of mating is known as coupling. Gestation period is 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. Then runt are those piglet which is smaller and weaker than the others. Then let's study the another species, that is equine, which includes horses. The scientific name of horse is Equus caballus. Then the group of horse is known as pack. The newborn is known as foal. The young male is known as colt. The young female is known as filly. Adult male is known as stallion. Adult female is known as mare. Then castrated male is known as gelding or geld. Then female with its offspring is known as foal at foot. Then act of parturition is known as foaling, and then the act of mating is known as covering. Then let's study about asses and donkeys. Scientific name of ass is Equus asinus. Group of ass is known as drove, herd or pace. Newborn is known as foal. Young male is known as jack. Young female is known as jenny. Adult male is known as jack or jackass. Adult female is known as jenny or jennet. Castrated male is known as gelding. Act of parturition is known as foaling, and act of mating is known as covering. Then let's study about the sixth type of species, that is poultry. In this, we are first going to study about chickens. The scientific name of chicken is Gallus domesticus. Group is known as flock, brood or peep. Newborn is known as chick. Young male is known as cockerel. Young female is known as pullet. Adult male is known as rooster or cock. Adult female is known as hen. Group of chicks is known as clutch. Castrated male is known as capon. Act of parturition is known as hatching, and the term boiler means meat type chicken. Here we ends the chickens, and then let's study about turkeys. Group of turkeys is known as flock or brood. Newborn, young male and female, they all are known as poult. Adult female is known as hen. Adult male is known as tom. Castrated male is known as capon. Act of parturition is known as hatching. Here we ends the turkeys, and then let's study about the 7 type of species, that is waterfowl. In this we are going to first study about ducks. Group of ducks is known as paddling, raft or team. Newborn is known as duckling or hatchling. Young male is known as drake duckling, and young female is known as duckling. Adult male is known as drake. Adult female is known as duck, and castrated male is known as capon. And then let's study about geese. Group of geese is known as gaggle and skein when they are on land, and when they are in flight they are known as wedge. Newborn is known as gooseling, young male is known as gander gooseling, and young female is known as goose gooseling. Adult male is known as gander, adult female is known as goose, castrated male is known as capon. Here we ends the waterfowl, and then let's study about lagomorphs, which includes rabbit. Group of rabbits is known as colony and nest. Newborn is known as kit. Young male is known as male kit. Young female is known as female kit. And adult male is known as buck. Adult female is known as doe. Castrated male is known as lapin, and act of parturition is known as kindling. Here we ends the lagomorphs, and lastly let's study about some crosses. First is cross between jack, that is male ass, and mare, that is female horse, is known as mule. And second is cross between stallion, that is male horse, and genet, that is female ass, is known as hinny. Stay safe and let's meet in the next video.